Are you looking for a trading platform that lets you maximize leverage while still ensuring fast execution speed, competitive costs, and a full suite of support tools? VT Markets is one of the standout names often mentioned by traders when it comes to high leverage and strong platforms. But with all the marketing hype out there, what's the truth you need to know before opening an account? In this video, I'll give you a complete picture, from a professional perspective, real user experience, to key considerations that will help you trade effectively and avoid unnecessary risks. VT Markets is an international broker under the Vantage Group, a financial institution with over a decade of global operations. The broker has been active since 2015 and is regulated by two authorities, ASIC, Australia, and FSCA, South Africa. Both are highly reputable organizations, requiring brokers to maintain minimum capital, submit periodic financial reports, and keep client funds in segregated accounts. While they are not Tier 1 regulators like the FCA or NFA, for clients outside the US, this is still a trustworthy oversight framework. On platforms, VT Market supports both MT4 and MT5, the two most widely used tools in the industry, known for stability, compatibility with trading robots, custom indicators, and advanced charting analysis. You can trade over 230 instruments, including Forex, indices, gold, oil, US stocks as CFDs, and some crypto pairs, although crypto isn't their strongest point. But if you are a traditional trader focusing on major currency pairs and gold, VT Markets' system is more than sufficient. The biggest attraction, and the reason many traders take notice, is leverage. VT Markets offers leverage up to 1 to 500, not only for Forex, but also for commodities and indices. However, this leverage is not automatically granted to everyone. You'll need higher level verification, sometimes a minimum deposit, and availability depends on your region. For example, users from the US, Canada, or the UK cannot open live accounts. This isn't because the broker is weak, but rather because they comply with strict regional laws. Actually, a good sign of transparency. If you qualify for high leverage, remember, leverage is a tool, not a shortcut to wealth. It amplifies profits, but also losses. In reality, many beginners enter the market thinking they can turn a few dollars into hundreds with 1 to 500 leverage, but end up blowing their accounts quickly because they don't understand margin, stop out, or spread widening. When it comes to trading costs, VT Markets offers two main account types, Standard and Raw ECN. The Standard account charges no commission, but has wider spreads, usually 1.2 to 1.6 pips on major pairs like EUR USD. The Raw ECN account has ultra-low spreads, sometimes starting from 0.0 pips, but you pay $6 per lot. This pricing is on par with big ECN brokers like IC Markets, Pepperstone, or TMGM. For active traders executing 20 to 50 trades per week, Raw ECN is often more cost-efficient long-term. Keep in mind, though, both accounts use floating spreads, which means spreads can widen significantly during high volatility, such as news releases or the London session, affecting stop losses, entries, and trading psychology, especially for scalpers or bot users. In terms of tools, VT Markets does quite well. They provide free VPS hosting for qualified accounts, a major advantage for EA users. They also integrate Trading Central for advanced technical analysis, AutoChartist for pattern recognition, and ZuluTrade for copy trading, allowing you to follow strategies from top traders worldwide. But again, a warning, never pick a trader to copy just because of attractive profits. Check drawdowns, history, risk level, and whether their trading style matches yours. Copying the right trader can generate consistent returns, but copying the wrong one can drain your account faster than you think. Their web and mobile platforms are also stable, user-friendly, and beginner-friendly. Account opening, deposits withdrawals, and verification are relatively fast. Although they don't serve US clients, they do have regional support teams that respond quickly via email and live chat, especially during Asian and European market hours. So, is VT Markets the best broker? The answer is, there's no such thing as the best for everyone. But if you're an experienced trader who understands risk control and you're seeking a broker with high leverage, fast execution, transparent costs, and strong tools, VT Markets is definitely worth trying. On the other hand, if you're a complete beginner, don't yet understand margin, have never set a stop loss, or expect big bonuses, then I recommend starting with a demo account before depositing real money. My personal advice: start small, around $100 to $200, to test everything. Execution speed, spread behavior, support quality, and overall platform feel. Real experience is always more valuable than any review. And if you've traded with VT Markets before, I'd love to hear from you. Share your story in the comments below. Your real-world experience could help hundreds of others avoid mistakes and make smarter choices. Finally, let me ask you, when choosing a broker, what's your top priority? Low spreads, high leverage, strong regulation, or fast execution and trading tools? Share your view in the comments. Let's build a safer and more effective trading community together in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe so you won't miss future reviews of international brokers and practical trading strategies. See you in the next video.